Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz ML550, the W164, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to upgrade the high beam bulbs. I'm upgrading the LED, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Today I'm going to be upgrading with the NAO LED lighting kit. And as you guys see, I have two boxes, and if you've seen my previous videos, you guys know it's time for another giveaway. And to enter into this giveaway, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to CarMAN, and also drop a comment down below on this video. And I'm going to be choosing a random winner and announcing it on Wednesday, December 12th on the video post of that day. So please be on the lookout for that by hitting the notification bell and of course being subscribed to my channel. And let's get started with this upgrade. This kit comes with the H7 LED bulb. It's a pair, it comes for the left and right, and it also comes with these high beam adapters. Underneath the hood, we are going to locate the headlight assembly, locate the high beam bulb, which is protected by a cover. I removed this plastic cover and the bulb is right there. Unplug the wire and the bulb is right here. Installing the LED bulb is very easy. We're going to plug in the wire. And before installing the LED bulb back into its place, you always want to make sure that it works. So the best idea is to test it. So I'm going to go inside the car, test the high beam and see if it works. And now I'm going to reinstall it in place. So here it is with the bulb installed, and I gotta say it's a night and day difference. The stock bulb that came on this SUV did an alright job. It was brighter than the headlight bulb, but it wasn't as bright as it should have been for a high beam bulb. But it's making a night and day difference. I've driven around with it for the past few days and I've been testing the high beams and I could see far away. I hope you guys enjoyed this upgrade, and again, please leave a like and also drop a comment down below to be entered into this giveaway, and the winner will be announced 1 week from now on Wednesday, December 12th on that video. So please stay on the lookout for that by hitting the notification bell. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. I'm going to be having a lot more giveaways, and I hope to see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.